Good morning, everyone. Just now, I'm going to show you the way how to program the remote control KT-4000 AC pilot and the easy steps to do this. دلوقتي أنا هوريكم إزاي تقدروا إنكم تظبطوا الريموت اللي هو النوع ده اللي هو KT-4000 AC pilot على التكييف نوع التكييف اللي عندكم. So the first thing that we are going to do right now, just we will look for the button select. So look at this one right here. Just we can turn off, yeah. And here on select, you are going to press on select quick one. هندوس على select هيبين لنا 3 نقاط دي. So you know this one has more than 700 codes. So just to change between the codes, you need to press again and again on select until you can hear a sound. هنا في الريموت ده حوالي 700 كود، وعلشان تقدروا تعرفوا الكود المناسب محتاجين ان احنا ندوس على select تاني وتاني. So here again, just we will press here for one time on select, and then we will see the 3 dots, and then we will press again on select. So this is 1, and then we'll press again. This is 2, and now just there was some sound. So that means to use the right code for this air condition. What we need to do next, just to press on enter. And just if we go up, we'll see the air conditioner is on. So here again, so thank you for listening.